Guru Bhai. Yes, his teacher was the same as my teacher, and we both learned from him a lot. And I go before him before talking to you because we must really respect our teachers. So, परम श्रद्धेय श्री जैन साहब, आप हंस रहे हो क्यों है? ऐसे लोगों को श्रद्धेय इसलिए कहा जाता है कि ऐसी सोच, ऐसे विचार जिससे इस तरीके के इंस्टीट्यूशंस की स्थापना हो, इस तरीके के इंस्टीट्यूट्स में आप जैसे अच्छे अच्छे होनहार को श्रद्धेय कहते हैं। इसलिए नहीं बनते कि वो बहुत बड़े बड़े काम करते हैं। बड़े लोग इसलिए बनते हैं क्योंकि उनके विचार, उनकी भावना, उनकी इच्छाएं, उनके एस्पिरेशंस वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं। उनका माइंड बहुत बड़ा होता है, अपने लिए नहीं दूसरों के लिए होता है। और ऐसे ही है आपके जैन साहब। ये लगा कि आपके बेटे हैं विपुल जी, और मैं उनका फैन हूँ, और मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये विपुल जी का इंस्टीट्यूट है। और देखिए उन्होंने ये पक्का किया कि जब ये वाइस चांसलर आएगा तो मैं यहाँ से गायब। तो ये मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा, लेकिन उनको बता दीजिएगा कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में आके, और सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा इतने अच्छे हैंडसम, ब्यूटीफुल और यंग माइंड्स आप इंस्टीट्यूट में हैं। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूं कि आप प्रसन्न हो जाओ, मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि आप ये जान लो कि ये आप में गुण हैं। क्योंकि कोई ना कोई जीवन में ऐसा होना चाहिए और उसकी आवश्यकता होती है, वो आपको बताए आके कि आप में क्या गुण हैं। क्योंकि बहुत बार जीवन में हम खो जाते हैं, अपने आप को नहीं पहचान पाते, अपनी खुद की अच्छाइयों को समझ नहीं पाते, और उस समय जरूरत होती है कोई आए और बताए कि आप कितने अच्छे हो। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, boys and girls, you are the best. You are the best because you are the student of this institute and belong to GBTU. For me as a vice chancellor, institute like this is IIT. Institute like this is NIT. For me, you are the students of IIT or GBTU. More than what I have already said, my dear Mr. Jain, that you are doing a wonderful job, and please continue doing it, and I shall remain always honored to be part of your endeavors that you have been doing, not only in building the career of these young minds, but also to create capabilities in this country, and that capability which is ready to beat and rule the world, not by weapons, but by their mind, by their soft knowledge. I really respect it. But the problem with me is that I have a difficulty of giving a speech by reading. क्योंकि जब मुझे पढ़ के बोलना होता है तो फिर मैं घबरा जाता हूँ, मतलब I am not a very good speaker. लेकिन जब मन से बोलना होता है, और मन का अगर समर्पण हो जाए, जैसे मान लीजिए मैं अपने मन को आपके प्रति समर्पित कर दूं, तो आप मेरा ध्यान रखोगे, मैं ठीक से बोल पाऊंगा। ऐसे ही सिद्धि होते हैं जैसी उनकी भावना होती है। अब मैं ये क्यों कह रहा हूँ? क्योंकि हमेशा बड़े लोग कहते हैं कि जहां भाव है वहां प्रभाव है, और जहां भाव नहीं है वहां अभाव है, और जहां गलत भाव है वहां दुर्भाव है। यहाँ पे इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक दिस जहां भाव बहुत अच्छा है, तो ऑब्वियसली भावना अच्छी जागृत होती है, और जहां भावना अच्छी जागृत होती है, सारी पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज, सारी पॉजिटिविटी जो बहुत एसेंशियल है लाइफ में, कैरियर में आगे ग्रो करने के लिए, फ्यूचर के लिए, वो सारी आपके साथ क्रिएट हो जाती हैं। और इसलिए मैं इनको नमन करता हूं, श्रद्धेय जैन साहब को, कि इतने अच्छे भाव से, इसलिए इतने अच्छे भाव हैं, इतनी अच्छी भावना है, तो इनका बेटा देखिए कितना अच्छा हो गया, isn't it, विपुल जैन जी। अच्छा, और देखिए फिर उनको सहयोगी भी इतने अच्छे मिल गए, हमारे अग्रवाल जी। तो माननीय अग्रवाल जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आपने मुझे यहाँ आने का अवसर दिया और मुझे अपने साथ में बिठाने का अवसर दिया। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्य हुआ। और फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि मैं ऑलरेडी कह चुका हूं कि and somebody said IIT is doing this, IIT, I said sorry, stop it. My understanding and my concept about IIT and about the Institute of GBTU is completely different. And Mrs. Jain, your Shobha Jain madam, she was saying that this is another way of looking at the whole thing. I said in IIT you enter with 95% of marks and you exit with 65% of marks. In GBT, you enter with 45% of marks and you exit with 65% of marks. And this happens not by the buildings, this happens not by the facilities, by the air-conditioned rooms. This does not certainly happen by the area that you cover, the covered area, the buildings, the equipment, all that facilities that you create. It happens because of the hard work of the students like you, the good effort, the aspirations of the faculty like the one which you have it here in this institute, and the good vision of people like Mr. Agarwal. फ्रेंड्स, मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं उसके लिए धन्यवाद देता हूँ श्री प्रोफेसर सिंह का कि जिन्होंने मेरा जीवन सफल कर दिया ये कह के कि मैं उनका गुरु भाई हूँ। इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ माइंस में मैं रहा और वहाँ मैंने पढ़ाना शुरू किया। I was a very young lecturer, 24 years, 5 months old. I was the youngest lecturer of any central university. That time Indian School of Mines was not IIT. Today it is IIT. And so much of work we did there. And now why I am saying this is because I was reading the oath for you. And in that oath, there were so many interesting things. I will work until I succeed. And that is what we used to do. So, thank you very much, Mr. Agarwal and Professor Singh, for inviting me. And then I will talk about it. And I must also go before the only madam sitting on the desk, Mrs. Verma. See how nice she smiles and how good she is for the institute. Thank you very much, Mrs. Verma. कोशिश करिए ये देखने की कि आपको क्या क्या अच्छा लगा और आप ये देखिए ये बड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि जहां भी आप जाते हैं सबसे पहले आपको बुरा लगना शुरू हो जाता है। ये कहाँ आ गए, यहाँ बस स्टॉप नहीं है, यहाँ फलाना नहीं है, ये कहाँ आ गए। ओके, सो I don't know I should say it or not, but I'll just give you an example. एक स्टूडेंट गया यूएस गया, ओके, और पेरेंट्स साथ लेके गए उसको स्टूडेंट को और बहुत अच्छी टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी में, टॉप 10 यूनिवर्सिटीज में फेलोशिप मिली और वहां जा रहे हैं तो पेरेंट्स बड़े खुश हैं, पेरेंट्स लेके जा रहे हैं अपने पैसे का खर्च करके कि भाई बेटा और बेटी जो भी है उनका वो अच्छी जगह जा रहे हैं। और जैसे ही वो लैंड करते हैं जो पहला स्टेटमेंट आता है बच्चे का, वो कहता है ये कहाँ ले आया आप मुझे, ये बिल्कुल यहाँ पे बस नहीं है, कैसे जाऊंगा मैं, यहाँ पे कार चाहिए, मुझे कार नहीं चलानी आती। Immediately we have a tendency as human beings to find out fault with things. It's very difficult to find good things wherever you go, whatever you see around. So my request sincere to you is to try to see what good thing you have seen. I'm just sharing it with you what all good things I have seen today here. And I think that can inspire you and motivate you in your careers because now you are no longer a student. Now you have to deal with, as a manager, as a leader, you deal with your subordinates and you have to manage your superiors. And remember, if you want to be a good leader and a good manager, Singh Saab was repeatedly telling that they want you to be like me. I want you to be like somebody much above me. And I would like to see a day very soon in my life to see that these students whom I gave degree, they are placed there, here and there, and they are really ruling the world. And believe me, this is what I real estimate. The first good thing I liked in this institute is the complete ambience, the whole positivity. I was taken to inaugurate a computer science center by Mrs. Jain. The kind of happiness, the cool mind with which she was leading the whole thing is something really worth mentioning and worth noting. I really felt I am in the right place. So many, it's not the computers which is important. It's not the labs which is important. It's the feel, it's complete, the entire 360-degree persona of the whole environment, the ecology, which is very, very important. And that I found is very positive here. This is something which was notable for me. The second thing notable when we entered here is all of you are smiling. This is something which is very rare these days in this country. Which really touched me. Because whenever we have these, we relate ourselves or our existence with these kind of things, we never do things wrong. आप देखिए हम हमेशा कहते हैं हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. The moment we say this, recite this, or we listen this, a kind of energy, different kind of energy in the body, emanates. And that is what is important when we start relating ourselves to this. So when you relate yourself to a Kulgeet of your own institute rather than the Kulgeet of the university, because I go for the convocation to various institutes, and there the first thing they do is the Kulgeet of the university, which is very interesting and very exciting. And it really reverberates a lot of things in your mind. But when I saw the Kulgeet of your own institutes, I was damn impressed. I said, wow. And please understand small things. These are very, very small things. Maybe for a Vice Chancellor it is not important for any Vice Chancellor. For me it is very, very important, because if it is the small things which make the big thing, and if big thing is very big, then small things cannot be considered as small. They are really big. So please start looking at small things, because ultimately they only are going to give you something which is big. So Kulgeet was wonderful and really touched me. The next good thing was, after the Kulgeet, that everything that you are doing, your chairperson, he said, KITians, and you are all, and then the mechanical engineering ka aa raha hai, to zyada taaliyan baj rahi hai. This is a kind of competition, okay? And then your director sir presents the report where he says so many students were in the merit of GBTU. My God, I was really damn impressed. What kind of minds you are, and I hope your body is matched with that. मैंने आप में से बहुतों को कहा दातून करना शुरू कर दो. आप ये बात ले लेना कि आपके दांत अच्छे नहीं है या मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगे. मुझे वो दांत अच्छे लगे, इसीलिए मैंने कहा दातून करना शुरू कर दीजिए. और मैं एक बात बता दूं आपको, जो भी आपसे कह रहा हूं वो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं कह रहा हूं या किसी का कहा हुआ नहीं कह रहा हूं, अपना अनुभव किया हुआ कह रहा हूं आपसे. अगर आप लोग सब लोग that will be not very good with yourself and for being good with your parents, because it's their aspirations that you have worked hard and got this degree. And remember, never any time in your life disrespect your degree. Never let the negativity come to you, close to you, because remember, the negativity will attract the negativity. But if you are positive, it will catch the positivity. You will always flourish if you see only positive things. My professor used to tell me, of whose name Professor Singh has said, he used to always tell me, look out of the window and the world should look green to you in your age and never grey to you in your age. This is what concerns me these days. This is what concerns me these days, when the young boys and girls, start looking grey. They start finding grey in things that they see around. Even if you find something grey in things around you, convert that into green and have courage to do this. And that will happen once you decide in your mind. Because it's a mind which makes you actually achieve it. You never lost the battle, you never lose a game in the ground, you leave it in the mind. You lose it in the mind. If you feel that you are gone when you go for the game. And remember always that it's not the mountains which make you defeat the war or battle, it's the small pebbles in the shoes. And this is what Muhammad Ali said. Muhammad Ali, who was a boxer, he says it's the small pebbles in your shoes which make you win or defeat. If you have small pebbles in your shoes, you can't work as a boxer. You will be defeated. You will be knocked out. And what are those small pebbles? Not actually virtually the word meaning, the meaning of pebbles in the shoes, it's the mind. In the mind, any negative thought will become a pebble in your shoes and will make you move slow. And once you become slow in life, you will remain slow. All others will leave behind and pass you, and you will see as a spectator. It's your choice whether you want to remain as a spectator or a face in the crowd which everybody would look at you and all others become your spectator. Choice is yours. My dear friends, remember, when we take a degree, we always feel, we listen that employability, and these days everybody is friend on this front. And I'm just sharing it with you, my views on employability. It's such a big misnomer. I was asking the details from Professor Singh that if he's preparing for his MTech exam, if